Morning. I'm back again. I've been doing some of my new hobbies in my hobby room. I'm loving my IKEA pegboard. That's excellent. Anyway, I got one of these Gemini Junior die cutting machines, and I got that. That came yesterday, and I was so excited I forgot to do an unboxing video, but I will do a video showing how it works. But also I made some cards last night, so I was just messing about, but they didn't turn out too bad, but of course I didn't video them. But I'll show you now, so I'll just turn the camera around and then you can see what I've done so far. Right, so the first one I made was this one, which is for my grandson who's going to be 14, and he's into all these games, and his tag is when he plays on these games and everything on the computer, and that is the Lone Knight, and that's the picture he has instead of a picture of him. That is his thumbnail. So yeah, so I copied a picture and I've raised it slightly, I don't know if you can see, to give it a bit of a 3D effect. And then and also I raised the happy birthday bit. So that's his card, and it's his birthday in a couple of weeks' time. So, and there I've got a with love. So that was the first card I made, and I'm well chuffed with that as a first ever. And then I'm going to a baby shower tomorrow, one of my son's fiancés. And I thought, oh, well, I'll just mess about and I'll make a baby shower card. So here's what I made here. So I used the die cutter to do the edging round there. And then the hearts, which I put on there. And I printed this off of the website for tattered lace dies. And they have a lot of printables, so I printed that off there. And there was one for the inside there. So I might put a with love in there. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, so well chuffed with that, with all that. And they come out really well, being as they're my first ever attempts. So, but thoroughly enjoying it. They're obviously. Plan to do some more intricate ones, but I didn't think they were too bad for a first attempt. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.